Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Premier Class. I'm happy to see you today.
Hello, I'm also very happy. A new year has started and it feels great.
Yes, it's a brand new year. Happy New Year to all our listeners.
Happy New Year! I hope this year brings happiness and success to everyone.
The new year is a good time to think about our goals.
Yes, many people make New Year resolutions.
That's right. A resolution means a promise to yourself.
For example, learning English better is a great resolution.
I agree. This year, I want to improve my speaking skills.
That's a good goal. I want to speak English confidently too.
How do people usually celebrate the new year?
People celebrate with family, friends, food, and sometimes fireworks.
Some people also write their goals for the new year.
Yes, writing goals helps us stay focused.
What is one simple goal for beginners in English?
A simple goal is to learn 5 new words every day.
That sounds easy and useful.
Yes, small steps make big progress.
The new year also gives us hope.
Exactly. It's a fresh start for everyone.
We should forget past mistakes and move forward.
Yes, the new year teaches us to stay positive.
Thank you for listening to our New Year conversation.
We hope you enjoyed this practice.
Keep listening and keep learning with English Premier Class.
Happy New Year
Welcome
once
back
again,
to
and see
English
you in the
Premier
next
Class.
episode.
Today, we are continuing our New Year conversation.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. Let's talk more about the new year.
The new year gives us a chance to start again.
That's true. It helps us think about our future.
Many people feel excited at the start of a new year.
Yes, they feel hopeful and motivated.
What new habits can people start this year?
They can start reading, exercising, or learning English daily.
Learning English daily is very important.
Even 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Some people feel afraid to make resolutions.
That's okay. Small goals are better than big promises.
For example, speaking one English sentence every day.
Yes, practice makes us better.
The new year also teaches us patience.
Progress takes time, but we should not give up.
How can we stay motivated all year?
We should remind ourselves why we started.
That's a good point. Motivation comes from inside.
And support from teachers and friends also helps.
We are here to help you learn English step by step.
Yes, this channel is for your growth.
Thank you for listening to this second chapter.
Keep practicing and believing in yourself.
Make this new year meaningful and productive.
Happy New Year and see you soon.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Premier Class.
Hello. We are very happy to have you with us again.
Today, we are continuing our New Year conversation.
Yes, this is Chapter 3, and we will talk more about the new year.
A new year is a special time for everyone.
It feels like a new beginning and a fresh start.
Many people feel happy when the new year starts.
Yes, they feel hopeful and positive.
The new year helps us forget past problems.
And it helps us focus on a better future.
Some people think about their life in the old year.
They think about what they did right and wrong.
This thinking helps us learn from our mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help us grow.
The new year also brings new plans.
People make plans for work, study, and health.
Many students make study plans.
They want to improve their skills.
Learning English is a popular goal.
Yes, English is very useful in daily life.
People use English for jobs and travel.
And also for communication with the world.
How can beginners improve English this year?
They should practice every day.
Daily practice is very important.
Even short practice is helpful.
Listening to podcasts is a good habit.
Yes, it improves listening and speaking.
Speaking English daily builds confidence.
Confidence is very important for learners.
Some learners feel shy when speaking.
That is normal and okay.
The new year is a good time to fight fear.
Yes, fear should not stop us.
Making small goals is better than big goals.
Small goals are easy to follow.
For example, learning one new word daily.
Or speaking one sentence every day.
These small steps create big change.
Slowly but surely.
The new year also reminds us to be kind.
Kindness makes life better.
Being kind to ourselves is also important.
Yes, we should not be too hard on ourselves.
Sometimes people feel sad at the start of the year.
They feel pressure to be perfect.
But no one is perfect.
Everyone learns slowly.
The new year is not about perfection.
It is about progress.
Progress means moving forward.
Even one step forward matters.
People celebrate the new year in different ways.
Some people stay at home,
Some people go out with friends.
and some people spend time with family.
Food is also important on New Year.
Yes, people cook special meals.
Sharing food brings people closer.
It creates love and happiness.
New Year greetings are very common.
People say Happy New Year to each other.
Greetings make relationships stronger.
Simple words can bring joy.
Some people write New Year messages.
Others make phone calls.
Technology helps us stay connected.
Even with people far away.
The new year is also a time for thanks.
We should thank people who helped us.
Teachers, parents, and friends deserve thanks.
Yes, gratitude makes us happier.
The new year teaches us discipline.
Discipline helps us stay focused.
For example, fixed study time.
Or fixed sleeping time.
Good habits make life easier.
Bad habits make life harder.
The new year is the best time to change habits.
Change is not easy, but it is possible.
We should believe in ourselves.
Self-belief gives strength.
English learners should not compare themselves.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Comparing brings stress.
Learning should be enjoyable.
Enjoying the process is very important.
Enjoyment increases learning.
This podcast is here to help you.
Yes, English Premier Class supports you.
We will practice English step by step.
Slowly and clearly.
The new year is full of opportunities.
We must use them wisely.
Every day of the new year matters.
Every day is a chance to improve.
Let's promise to keep learning.
And never give up.
Thank you for listening to Chapter 3.
We are proud of your effort.
Make this new year meaningful.
Keep learning and stay positive.
This is English Premier Class.
Happy New Year and see you in the next chapter.